Okay, Yessena. I'm going to go over your paper a little bit, but you pretty much met my requirements. So you got a pretty good score already. But let's take a look at it and read through it. It seems they had always been and would always be friends. Time could change much, but not that. Winnie the Pooh. I love that quote. It says this quote to me means that true friends will never leave, no matter what. Me as a friend, that's a little weak. You know, me as a friend, I am trustworthy, caring, and non-judgmental. Okay, I want you to tie this in, your thesis into your quote a little bit better. So one way to do that is no matter how much time, you could say something like this, no matter how much time no matter how much time passes, the fact that I'm, oh, you know what? I don't know. I don't like that one. Let me see if we can tie this in a little bit differently. It seems that they had always been friends. Would change. Will never leave. True friends will never leave. So you could tie it back into true friends. Okay, true friends. So one thing that makes me a true friend. Okay, you could put that in front of here. Okay, so you know the things, the characteristics that make me a true friend are that I'm trustworthy, caring, and non-judgmental. Okay, so the first thing that I notice, that's actually pretty good. The first thing I notice is that your first paragraph is about being caring. Okay, however, the first paragraph in your thesis states that you are going to talk about being trustworthy. So we need to either change the order of our thesis or change the order of our paragraphs. Okay, so we want our paragraphs to be ordered in the way that they are presented in our introduction. There's two purposes to an introduction: to give us a brief overview of your paper and to order and organize your paper for us. And so you're out of order here. You know, your paper is not organized the way you say it's going to be. That's just a minor fix. Okay. He says, I'm very caring. I'm a very caring friend. If my friends, and I want you to make a little bit stronger transition here. One of the things that makes me such a good friend is that I'm caring or something. All right. So that you can talk about being a true and good friend. That's what you're proving. I'm a true and I'm a good friend. I will always be there for you. Okay. Or you could tie it a little bit stronger into your quote. No matter how much time passes, I will always be no matter how much time passes, I will always be a true friend because I'm caring, okay, or something like that. And then you can talk about how you're caring. So I want you to tie your quote in a little bit better to some of your paragraphs, and the fact that you're there for them or you're true. I want that to be part of your topic sentence, okay? As well as being, okay? So this should say right here, I'm going to come over here, as well as being caring, comma, I'm also non-judgmental. We've already talked about the order of your paper, okay? I spell non-judgmental wrong too, but there's no either, okay? Okay, aside from being caring and non-judgmental, now I like how you're tying this in, but you don't have to do that the whole time. I just want you to do that with some paragraphs. You can leave it that way, or you could say, another great quality I possess, okay? Because we're talking about qualities. Another great quality that I possess that makes me such a great friend is that I am non-judgmental, okay? So you could change up your transition change the style of your transition, mix it up a little. Okay, you don't have to, but it would make your paper sound better. Your transition. Okay, good. So that's so far, and let's take a look at your other page. Okay, let's see, get some of these things gone. Okay, especially to my friends. Okay. Okay, aside from being caring and okay, another quality I possess is, I think we've already discussed that, trustworthy, and most important, I am very trustworthy. I'm a very trustworthy person. I think trustworthy is being most important. I am very trustworthy. So you're kind of going away from, are you talking about being trustworthy, or are you talking about being non-judgmental? You decide. But they're not the same. So you want to make sure that you straighten up that paragraph a little bit, okay? And clarify what you're talking about. Especially to my friends. My friends trust me with everything. They tell me a lot. Okay, so this paragraph has nothing to do with being, let's get rid of these remarks so you can go back and watch the video and write them down or snap pictures of them with your iPad. But this paragraph right here needs to talk about being non-judgmental, because that's your topic sentence. Let me check your thesis and make sure that's your thesis. Non-judgmental. Okay, let's check your thesis and see. Caring and yeah, you're non-judgmental. That's your thesis. So you have to talk about that. If you want to change that up, change your topic sentence and change your thesis to say trustworthy. That's fine too. However you want to fix that, but you know, fix it up a little bit and make it you know, make it match. Okay, so let's go back to your paper here. I am a really good friend to have because I am caring, non-judgmental, and I am a trustworthy person. Okay, that's fine. And then bring in your quote. You know, I'm a really good friend to have because no matter how much time passes, I'm always true to my friends. I'm always true to my friends. Okay, you want to bring in your quote when in your back into your conclusion. I'm a great friend because I am trustworthy, or caring, non-judgmental, trustworthy, however you want to put it. But I think you trustworthy, caring, and non-judgmental. Okay, so you do. Okay, you mixed up your things here. Caring here is I am non-judgmental here. Aside from being non-judgmental. Oh, you know what? I am so sorry. Forget everything I said about this paragraph. You are absolutely correct. I didn't read this. I was reading too quickly. You do have the fact that you're trustworthy here. I apologize. I don't want to redo the video, but just scratch what I said about that, and you're good. Okay, so I should redo the video, but I'm not going to. I'm in a hurry. Okay, so but you do want to bring that back into your conclusion here, okay? Okay, because no matter how much time passes, okay, I'm a really good friend because no matter how much time passes, I'm always true to my friends. I will never forget them, however you want to put it. You know, I'm a great friend because I am caring, non-judgmental, and trustworthy. Okay, perfect. All right, I apologize for goofing up on your video. I hope it doesn't confuse you. If you have questions, come and I will help you rewrite. But really good paper to start with.